Wes! Hey, Wes! Wes?
Hey, Dad.
Whoa, you're all shaky, son. Here. You wanna tell me how you're feeling?
Well, Dad, I'm excited for my steel drum performance at school later today, but my tummy feels kind of funny.
Oh, I'm glad you're listening to your body, son. If I know my son, and which I do, I'd say you're feeling a little nervous.
Yeah.
Oh, here, let's try this. Here, give me a hug.
Oh, okay.
A nice, long hug with someone you love is one good way to slow down and help you pay attention to your feelings.
Yeah, I love playing my steel drum, but what if I mess up?
Well, it's okay to make mistakes and mess up sometimes. It happens.
Oh.
But I think you're gonna do great. Hey, you hear my heartbeat?
Oh. I hear it. Boom, 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 boom.
So, how you feeling now?
Well, I'm still a little nervous, but I am excited for my steel drum performance.
That's what I like to hear.
Yeah.
You know, I was feeling a little nervous at work too earlier.
You get nervous too?
Oh, yeah. But I'm feeling a lot better now after our hug. I'm proud of both of us for taking care of our feelings, Wes.
Yeah. Me too, Dad.
Oh, come here.